Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Internet Computer. We have big developments flashed on Internet Computer's chart. It has re-entered the same wedge that was previously broken down, and on the weekly time frame chart, it is trying to break out a very long-term and big resistance of the down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal, the last trade signal that I shared with my members of Internet Computer. That was a harmonic bullish versus cipher pattern that Internet Computer formed on 23rd of July. And that pattern was, by the way, formed on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line pumped very well, and it rallied more than 40%, by the way, and it rallied beyond the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher pattern. Within few moments, when this chart will be executed, then you will be able to find this to see this move, and you can see that it rallied more than 40% and beyond the sell targets. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we have very significant movements. You can see it is trying to break out the resistance of a very big down channel. You can see we found the resistance here back in September 2021, and so far we are not able to break out this resistance. We got rejected here, then we got rejected here, we got rejected here, and recently we got rejected. So many rejections we got here, and now the price line is again trying to break out this resistance of a very long-term down channel. So it's more than a year the price line is not able to break it out, and now if it will break out this resistance, we will have the weekly closing above this resistance. That can be a very big development, and then we can expect a big pump. However, we also have this key resistance here just above this resistance of the channel. That is at $4.70, and previously you can see when we had this big drop in the month of June 2022, it worked as a nice support, and here in the month of October it worked as a nice support, but finally we broke it out here during the FTX exchange collapse, and we found another support here at $3.50, and now we are trying to break out this big resistance. Now if we switch to the smaller time frame, then here you can see that ICP was moving inside a very long-term falling wedge pattern, and here we broke it down in the month of November 2022, and this previous resistance as support of the wedge was working as a very strong resistance for the price line, and finally we broke it out once again. This is, by the way, the support that we have recently found at $3.50, and here on the smaller time frame chart you can see this level of $4.10 was also working as a resistance, and we have also broken out that resistance as well. Now there is a probability that the price line may break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well, and this support of the wedge can provide a nice support to the price line, and even this support of $4.10 as well, because recently it was working as a nice support, a nice resistance on the daily time frame chart. Now after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, our final target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be from $9 to $10, and in that situation we can also break out this bigger resistance of the down channel as well, and the final target after the breakout from this down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.